Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif's wedding has been the latest buzz in Tinseltown. Now the latest news is that the guest who will be attending Vicky and Katrina's wedding at the Sixth Sense Fort Barwara in Savai Madhopur district in Rajasthan on December 9 shall be given secret codes to keep the marriage ceremony completely confidential. The guest will be allowed entry into the wedding venue on the basis of the secret codes provided to them. The identity of the special guest attending the wedding will be kept confidential, hence, the hotel has allotted codes instead of names to all the guests. The guest will be provided different services such as room service, security based on these codes. According to sources, the SOPs laid down for the grand wedding ceremony include non-disclosure of wedding attendance, no photography, no sharing of pictures and location on social media, etc. Also, the guest should not have any contact with the outside world till they leave the venue, the sources said. Meanwhile, preparations for the much-awaited marriage have begun at the lavish hotel in Savai Madhopur district. An event management company has been entrusted with the responsibility of making all the necessary arrangements for the big day. Accordingly, special suites have been booked for the bride and the groom at the hotel, while Vicky will put up at the Raja Mansingh suite. Katrina will be staying at the Rani Padmavati suite, both most expensive suites in the hotel. The tariff for the suites is rupees 7 lakh each for one night. Both the suites have private swimming pools and gardens attached to them, while the windows open to a grand view of the Aravali Hills. Katrina and Vicky, along with their family members, are expected to check in on December 6 and depart on December 11. The wedding preparations have been entrusted to 6 different vendors who will arrange flowers, decoration, security, transportation, food and jungle safaris. For security arrangements, 100 bouncers will come from Jaipur on December 5. Rajasthan police personnel will also be deployed for the security of the VIP guest. The Sangeet ceremony will be held on December 7, followed by the Mehndi ceremony the next day. A special reception will be held after the wedding ceremony on December 10.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.